Ever wondered how a thermos keeps your drink hot or cold? It's like magic, but it's really just science at work. First off, let's talk about the structure of a thermos. A typical thermos has two layers, an inner layer and an outer layer, usually made of stainless steel or glass. The space between these layers is a vacuum. Yes, a vacuum. This means there's no air in between, which is key to keeping temperatures stable. Now, why is a vacuum so important? It's all about heat transfer. Heat moves in three ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is when heat travels through materials, like when a metal spoon gets hot in a pot. Convection is about fluids, like how hot air rises. Radiation is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves, like how the sun warms your skin. In a thermos, the vacuum layer prevents conduction and convection. Since there's no air, heat can't escape or enter through those methods. This is why hot drinks stay hot for hours and cold drinks remain chilled. But what about radiation? The inner walls of a thermos are often coated with reflective material, like aluminum. This reflective layer bounces heat back into the liquid, minimizing heat loss. So, even if the drink is hot, that reflective surface helps keep the warmth inside. Now, let's dive into some practical examples. Picture a hot cup of coffee. When it's poured into a thermos, the heat from the coffee tries to escape. Without the vacuum, that heat would quickly dissipate into the surrounding air, cooling the coffee down. But with the thermos, the heat stays trapped, keeping that coffee warm for hours. On the flip side, think about an ice-cold lemonade. When it's in a regular cup, the heat from the air and the cup itself warms up the lemonade, turning it lukewarm. But in a thermos, the vacuum prevents that heat from reaching the lemonade, keeping it refreshingly cold. Some thermoses even come with additional features. For instance, some have double lids or cork insulation to further reduce heat transfer. Others might include a built-in straw or spout for easy sipping. Now, let's not forget about the importance of sealing. A good thermos has a tight-fitting lid that prevents air from sneaking in or out. This is crucial for maintaining the temperature. If the lid isn't secure, warm air can enter, cooling down that hot coffee, or cold air can escape, warming up that chilled lemonade. So, whether it's a hot soup on a chilly day or iced tea on a summer afternoon, thermoses are designed to keep drinks at the perfect temperature. They're perfect for picnics, road trips, or just enjoying a hot drink while working at home. In conclusion, the science behind a thermos is fascinating. The combination of a vacuum seal, reflective surfaces, and a tight lid work together to create a mini climate-controlled environment for drinks. Next time that coffee stays warm or that lemonade remains icy, remember the clever design of a thermos at work. So, next time someone asks how a thermos keeps drinks hot or cold, share the science behind it. It's not just a container. It's a marvel of engineering that makes life a little more enjoyable, one sip at a time.